Hello, and welcome to this detailed tutorial on using Smodin's powerful AI detector. Today, we'll guide you step by step through the process of analyzing and humanizing AI-generated text, making it perfect for your needs. Start by logging into your Smodin account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the left-hand menu and click on Plagiarism to access the text analysis tools. In this section, you'll see several options. Find and select Detect AI to begin analyzing your content. Now you're ready to dive in. For this demo, I'm using a sample text about the vital role of bees in our ecosystem, generated by AI. Copy your text, paste it into the provided input box, and then press the Detect AI Content button to start the analysis. Within seconds, Smodin will display the results, showing the likelihood that your text was AI-generated. In our case, it's highly probable, as expected, since we used AI to create it. Want more insight? Check out the sentence breakdown feature. This breaks down the score for each sentence, helping you identify which parts might need tweaking if you're aiming to refine specific sections manually. To bypass AI detectors, let's humanize the text using Smodin's Humanizer or Recheck tool. Simply click Try Recreate to proceed. This will open a new browser tab with your text preloaded. Just hit the Recreate button to transform it. In a few moments, you'll get a freshly humanized version of the text ready to use. Curious about the changes? Click Show Changes to review a detailed comparison of what was modified, making it easy to understand the tool's adjustments. Now let's confirm the text is undetectable by AI detectors. Copy the humanized text, then switch back to the AI detector tab. Clear out the old text, paste in the new humanized version, and click Detect AI Content again. And there you go. You've successfully converted AI-generated text into humanized content that slips past AI detectors undetected. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with others looking to master Smodin's tools.